Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we have come up with another video on expansions chapter 4 class 9 ICSE. Today we are going to solve each and every question of exercise 4E. Please watch till end. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So as I tell you always, we need to learn the identities which are very important, children. So simplifying this first question of exercise with the identity. So we will be using the identity here. X plus a multiplied by x plus b multiplied by x plus c is x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca multiplied by x plus abc. So here we start with the first question. So now it is the time to get mathematical. All gear up, learn the identities, and we begin here. The first question. And remember to write down the identities whenever you are solving. It becomes easy for you to compare the identities and solve. So we have the first question, x plus 6 into x plus 4 into x minus 2. We are going to expand this over here. Just looking at the identities and comparing over there, you can see here the value. So let us put the values. X cube plus a plus b plus c. So it is 6 plus 4 minus 2 multiplied by x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x multiplied by abc. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 into 4 is 24. 4 multiplied by minus 2 is going to be minus 8 and minus 2 multiplied by 6 is minus 12. 6 fours are 24 and 24 into minus 2 is minus 48. So this is how we get the value as x cube plus 8x square plus 24 minus 8 minus 12x plus minus 48. Okay. So this is important to write when two signs come together. It is very important that you write it in the bracket. Now here you have minus 8 minus 12. It is good that you add these two. So minus 8 minus 12 is going to be minus 20 and 24 minus 20 you get it as 4x. So this is how you get this as x cube plus 8x square plus 4x minus 48. Got it? So looking at this identity, we solve this sum. It is very important to learn the identity, children. Understood this one? We move on to the next question. Again, with the help of this identity, we are going to solve. The question is again here. You have the question as x minus 6 into x minus 4 into x plus 2. Just remember, learning one identity helps. Your A is minus 6, your B is minus 4, your C is positive 2. Compare with the identity, put the values here. So x cube plus minus 6 minus 4 plus 2 into x square plus A into B. This is your AB, this is your BC, this is your CA, and this is your ABC. On simplifying this, minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 and minus 10 plus 2 you are going to get further as minus 8. This when you simplify, you can add these two together. A minus 8 minus 12 is going to be minus 20 and 24 minus 20 is going to be again 4. And this, the last one here, children, minus 6 into minus 4 is going to be positive 24 and positive 24 into 2 is going to be positive 48. So the rules of the integers are equally important over here. This is how we get the final step as minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. So minus 8x square, x cube minus 8x square plus 4x. 24 minus 20 is 4x plus 48. Got it? So just remembering this identity is very, very important. Now, let us take another question here. So we have next question for part 3 for the simplify. So I would like you to pause the video and solve it. Compare with the identity, put the values there, children. Come on. What is your A? What is your B? What is your C? All the three are negative. Not to worry about. Plus into minus becomes minus. Put it in the identity. Check your answer. Adding all these three negatives, all the three integers of the same sign we add and we give the sign same. If it is negative integers, we give the negative sign. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So this is going to be minus 12. Minus 6 into minus 4 is going to be positive 24. Minus 4, this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C, remember. So this is your AB, BC, and CA again. So minus 6 into minus 4 is positive 24. Minus 4 into minus 2 is positive 8. Minus 6 into minus 12, minus 2 into minus 6 is positive 12. and minus 6 into minus 4 is positive 24 into minus 2, which we are going to get as minus 48. So let's check the answer what we get. So x cube minus 12x square plus 24 plus 8 plus 12 into x minus 48. So add this all together. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 24 is 44. So our final answer is x cube minus 12x square plus 44x minus 48. I hope you have understood this. Now the last question of the first part, I would like you to pause the video and do it yourself. Come on. So x plus 6 multiplied by x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 2. Yes, come on. Do it yourself. Okay. Check the answer. Put the value, your a plus b plus c. Minus 4 minus 2 is going to be minus 6. So this is going to be 0. This term itself is going to be 0. 6 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 24. Minus 4 into minus 2 is positive 8. Minus 3 into 6 is negative 12. And minus 4 into minus 2 is going to be 8. And 8 6 is a positive 48. Put the values. So x cube plus 0x square. Add two negatives and then subtract. So you get this as minus 28x. So your final answer is x cube minus 28x plus 48. Come on. Those who got the correct answer can pat themselves. We move on to the question number 2. Now simplify using following identity. So that the identity is a plus or minus b into a square plus or minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus or minus b cube. Now just remember this identity, it is plus up here and minus. So when it is a plus b, then this is going to be a square minus ab plus b square. And this is the expansion of a cube plus b cube. Remember that. And when it is a minus b, then all of these are going to be positive. That you have to remember. Okay. So we start with the first question of this. Beginning the first question of question number 2. Remember that we are using this identity. Learn the identities properly. And that is how it helps you to solve the problems easily. So we go with the first question. 2x plus 3y multiplied by 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. So what we need to remember here is whether this is in the form of a plus or minus b. Now this is plus. So here it has to be, middle term has to be negative. So whether it is in the form of a square minus ab plus b square, we will split now. This is your a and this is your b. Your a is 2x and your a is 2x and b is 3y. So is this in the form of a square minus ab? Yes. 4x square is the square of 2x. Okay. Now a is 2x, b is 3y. So 2x into 3y. 2 3s are 6, 6xy. Yes, this is matching. And 3y, that is b square, the whole square. So 9y square is the square of 3y. So yes. So this is nothing but the expansion of 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube. Okay. So remember the middle term for the next bracket is negative. It is the plus 1. So what is the square of 2? It is 8. So this becomes 8x cube cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 3 is 27. So that is how we get the final answer as 8x cube plus 27y cube. Got it? Let's solve the next question here. The question is 3x minus 5x multiplied by 9x square plus 15 plus 25 upon x square. Okay. So children, your a is 3x and your b is 5 upon x. So a minus b. Look at this, a minus b. So this is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Is this in this form? That is what we are going to check. Is this the expansion what we are getting when we are writing in this way? That is what we are going to check. So 9x square is the square of 3x, correct? Now when we are writing in between a, b, so a is what? 3x multiplied by 5x, 5 upon x. So when we simplify this, x and x got cancelled, at 3 into 5 we get 15, correct? And 5 upon x, 25, the square root is 5. So this is the square of 5 by x. So 5 by x the whole square. So we get this in the form of a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square, which is the expansion of a cube minus b cube. That is 3x the whole cube minus 5 by x the whole cube. 3 cube is 27, so 27x cube, minus 5 cube is 125, so 125 upon x cube. Got it? So the third sum of question number 2, this is the question: a upon 3 minus 3b multiplied by a square upon 9 plus ab plus b square. So what is the identity here? The identity is a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square is the expansion of a cube minus b cube, right? So check whether it is the expansion of this one, a cube minus b cube, where your a is a upon 3 and your b is 3b. So a minus b, a square, that is a square, and 9 is the square of 3, so a by 3 the whole square, plus ab, that is a by 3 into 3b, where this 3 and 3 got cancelled and we got this product as ab, which is very much same as this, and 9b square is the square of 3b. Okay, so this is the expansion of a by 3 cube minus 3b the whole cube, which is a cube, and 3 cube is 27, so a cube upon 27 minus 3 cube is again 27, my b cube. Got it? Now we start with question number 3, using suitable identity evaluate. Okay, now in this you have two sub questions. Okay, 104 cube and 97 cube. So what we are going to do over here, 104 is closer to which whole number that we have to take. So 104 is, we are going to write it as 100 plus 4 the whole cube, and the 97 cube we are going to write it as 100 minus 3 the whole cube. So that we have to remember, children. So when we, this 97, though it can be written as 90 plus 7, you have to see to nearest which whole number which can be mentally calculated. So it would be 100, 200, 300, 500. That way we have to check and split the term accordingly. So let us start solving these sums. So first we start with 104 cube, so which we write as 100 plus 4 the whole cube. So 100 plus 4 the whole cube, we have the identity a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, so remember the identity we have already done this in the previous exercise again. So 100 cube is going to be 1 million plus 4 cube is 64, 3 4s are 12, so 1200 multiplied by 100 plus 4 is 104. Simplified further, so we add this to 1,064,000, we get 1200 into 104 is 1,24,800. Okay, or we can say 124,800. When we add this, we are getting it as 1,124,864. Okay, so what we need to remember is how are we going to split it and how are we using the identity. So what identity was used here? We use the identity here, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, so we will be now using the identity a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Just remember, a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Use the identity. 100 cube is again 1 million, 3 cube is 27, 3 3s are 9, so this is 900 multiplied by 97. So we get here 999,973 minus 87,300, which we get as 912,673. Okay, now simplify. So looks like this, but it is very easy. So we will be using the identity that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, so what we can see here, this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Can we find it as 0? Let's check. So we get that x square minus the numerator, x square minus y square, which is a, this is your a now, x square minus y square is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. So how do I get the 0? So when I'm adding a plus b plus c, that means we do x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. So this is how we get this as 0. How? X square minus x square is 0. Y square minus y square plus y square is 0. minus z square plus z square is 0. So this is how you get this, the addition of the numerator. When you are adding a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, you get a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. That is 3 into a into b into c. Where is your a is x square minus y square, your b is y square minus z square, and your c is z square minus x square. Got it? So we found the value of the numerator. Now again, the denominator, we have the sum of the three cubes, x minus y the whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x the whole cube. Okay, we have now found the value of the numerator. Let us find the value of the denominator. For that, let us check whether a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Yes, we have the denominator again, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. How? Let us expand it properly without keeping the bracket. So we have x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. So how is this 0? Again, each is cancelling to each other, right? So we have x and minus x minus y plus y minus z plus z. So the denominator also, we get a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So this is our second equation. Understood? So we found the value for the numerator, we found the value for the denominator. Now let us substitute over there, putting the values for the numerator and denominator. The numerator was 3abc, that is 3 in bracket x square minus y square into y square minus z square plus z square minus x square, and the denominator was 3 in bracket x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Now we have the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So this is how we have expanded there. X square minus y square, this x square minus y square, this x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y square minus z square is y plus z into y minus z, and z square minus x square is z plus x into z minus x. The denominator, this 3 and 3 already got cancelled. Now x minus y into this x minus y, this entire bracket got cancelled. Y minus z and this minus y minus z got cancelled. Z minus x and z minus x got cancelled. So what is left? We are left with x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. So this is our final expansion. So it's easy. Just remembering the properties, it becomes easy. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. That's it. And the other algebraic identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now, the next question, evaluate. Okay. So looks like, so many decimals, but it's easy. So how are we going to solve it? Let us start with the first question. So we have here, evaluate. The first one is 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. Okay, same thing. So let us take this x is equal to 0.8 and y is equal to 0.5, and then the given expression becomes, now you have here x. How many times? X multiplied by x multiplied by x. You have 3x, right? X, and this is your y, and y. So we get x cube plus y cube upon, this is your xy, x into x. So this is x into x is x square. This is x into y, this is going to be xy, and this is y square. So the given expression, now we are able to write it as x cube plus y cube upon x square minus xy plus y square. Now we already know the identity for x cube plus y cube. We have just solved the questions based on that. Let us substitute the value. So we have x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So wherein these two from the numerator and denominator, remember that we need to put the bracket here. It is important that we put the bracket here before we cancel. We cannot cancel single term. So this entire bracket, which is the multiplication, gets cancelled, and our final answer is x plus y. Now what is the value of x? The value of x was 0.8. Value of y was 0.5. Add it, you get it as 1.3. Got it? Now the next question. Here again you have a question. Let us take x is equal to 1.2 and y is equal to 0.3. So you get the given expression as x square plus xy plus y square upon x cube minus y cube. The numerator and denominator has exchanged. That's it. Okay. Let us write the expansion of x cube minus y cube. What we get? X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Right. Now this bracket, numerator and denominator, the entire bracket got cancelled. So we get 1 upon x minus y. Substitute the value of x. 1 upon 1.2 minus 0.3. 1.2 minus 0.3 is 0.9. 0.9, so denominator is in decimal, so we just multiply by 10 to the numerator and denominator. So this becomes 10 upon 9. 10 upon 9 is 1 by 9. Got it? So the next question now, if a minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0, state the value of a cube minus 8b cube minus 20 plus 27c cube. Okay, so what is a, b and c? If it is 0, so remember, if a plus b plus c plus is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, right? So this is the identity that we are going to see. A plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Let us put the value of this. So this is how we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Your b is 2b, okay? So it is minus 2b plus 3c. So you can also write it as a cube plus minus 2b the whole cube plus 3c cube, which is equal to a cube. When you expand, minus 2 ka cube is minus 8. That is how you get minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. And this is what the value you have to find out, which is equal to 3abc. So 3, your a is a, your b is minus 2b, your c is 3c. Okay, and then let us find out the values of this, multiply and get the values for this. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 6, 3 is 18. So we get it as minus 18 ABC. Got it? Now, question number 7. If x plus 5y, find the value of x cube plus 125y cube plus 150xy minus 1000. This is again easy, children. So x plus 5y is equal to 10, right? So given x plus 5 is equal to 5y is equal to 10, let us cube it. On cubing, we get x a plus b the whole cube again. We use the identity a plus b the whole cube. We have used the identity a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, so we have put it over here. So when we cube both sides, when we are cubing both sides, we get it as x cube plus 5y the whole cube plus 3ab. X, your a is this and your b is this, right? 3 into x into 5y into x plus 5y. So what is the value of x plus 5y? It is 10. Let us put it over here. So on simplifying this, 5y the whole cube is going to be 125y cube. And this, my 100, this 100 shifts over here. This is 150xy. Okay, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 10 is going to be 150xy. And we are able to prove x cube plus 125y cube plus 150xy minus 1000 is equal to 0. Okay, got it? Now, let us start with question number 8. If x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, find 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x the whole cube, x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So this is like very much first chapter of yours, rationalizing the denominator, which is what we are going to use, right? And we are going to note down whatever values we have got for each, because each of these question is linked. So first we start with first one. So we have the question, first one, which is we have to find the value of 1 upon x. So let's start with find 1 by x. So we put the value of x as 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, rationalize the denominator. When we are rationalizing, what is the rationalizing factor? It is 3 minus 2 root 2. So we start multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3 minus 2 root 2. Now here you have the identity a square. What we have here, a plus b into a minus b. You have a plus b into a minus b. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Okay, where 3 square is going to be 9 and 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. So 4 into 2, this is going to be 8. Right? 2 root 2 square is going to be 8. And let us see now here. So when we are rationalizing this denominator, finally we are getting the denominator as 9 minus 8, which is 1. So our final answer is 3 minus 2 root 2. So the first value, that is 1 upon x, now we have got 3 minus 2 root 2. Just remember, children, we are going to use this to solve the next problem. So the next question is now x minus 1 upon x. So let us just put the value which we got. We have got the value of 1 upon x. Okay, so x minus 1 upon x. What was the value of 1 upon x? It was 3 minus root 2. So what we have done here, we put the value of x as 3 plus 2 root 2 minus in bracket 3 minus 2 root 2. So when we open the bracket, minus into plus is going to be minus 3. Minus into minus, this becomes plus 2 root 2. Got it? Now this 3 minus 3 is going to be 0 and 2 plus 2, which is 4 root 2. So this is how we get the final answer as 4 root 2. Okay, let's start with the next part of the question, which is x minus 1 upon x the whole cube. Okay, we put the value x minus 1 upon x value, we have got 4 root 2. Like cube of 4 root 2 now. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64 and root 2 into root 2 is going to be 2. So 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 is going to be 64. That is 4 cube is 64 and root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is going to be 2 and this root 2 again. So this is how this becomes root 2 into root 2 into root 2 becomes 2 root 2. So our final answer is 64 into 2 root 2, which is 64 into 2 is 128 root 2. Okay. Then the next question of this, x cube minus 1 upon x cube, which is equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole cube plus 3 in bracket x minus 1 upon x, right? So what is x minus 1 upon x the whole cube? We have got the x minus 1 upon x the whole cube in the previous question as 128 root 2. And 3 multiplied by x minus 1 upon x value, we had already calculated 4 root 2. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 root 2. So it becomes 128 root 2 plus 12 root 2. 128 plus 12 is 140 root 2. Okay, let's start with the next question. And the question is, if a plus b is equal to 11 and a square plus b square is equal to 65, find the value of a cube plus b cube. Okay, now you are given the value of a plus. We have several times solved the questions in the previous exercise, also of the similar types. So it is nothing difficult. We go ahead. Let us take this as equation number 1. Let us take a plus b is equal to 11. Start squaring on both sides. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Square of 11 is 121. Put the value of a square plus b square, which is 65 over here. So we putting the value here 65. 65 moves here, it becomes 121 minus 65. So 2ab then is equal to 56. So 121 minus 65 is 56 and AB is equal to 56 upon 2. That is what we get as 28. Now we got the value of AB. Let us start finding the value of A cube plus B cube. We use the identity now. So you have here A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B the whole cube minus 3AB in bracket A plus B. So what was the value of A plus B? It was 11. So 11 cube minus 3AB value we just calculated, which was 28, and A plus B is again 11. So for multiply 11 square is 1331. Okay, so whatever values we have got, cube of 11 is 1331. 11 into 3 is 33. 33 multiplied by 28 is 924. 1331 minus 924, you get it as 407. Okay, this is how we get the value of A cube plus B cube as 407. Okay, now question number 10 of this exercise, and it is very easy. Prove that if it is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx will always be positive. Okay, so we have just seen the identities. Let us start doing the help of the identities. So for having that, let us multiply this equation throughout by 2. Each term we will be multiplying by 2 and then dividing by 2. So on doing that, we get this as 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Let us split this, 2x square, we'll write it as x square plus x square. So this is how we put it in the form of identities. We here split this x square as x square plus x square plus y square minus 2xy. We will get one identity over here. Again, y square plus z square minus 2yz and z square plus x square minus 2zx. What we have done here, we have simply split this 2x square as x square plus x square. We have split this y square as x square plus x square. We have split this y square as y square plus y square. We have split this 2z square as z square plus z square, and we have put this is the middle term. Where there is x and y, we will take 2x square. Where there was y and z, we will take yz. Where we are taking x and z, we will take zx. So this is how we get this one as expansion of x minus y the whole square. This we will get the expansion as x minus y minus z the whole square, and this will be expansion of z minus x the whole square. This divided by 2. So this is how we get x1. This is 2 which was in the denominator. So we write it as a half in bracket. This is the expansion of x minus y the whole square, y minus z the whole square, plus z minus x the whole square. Now, if the square, so minus 2 square is going to be 4 and 2 square is also 4. The squares of the negatives will always be positive. So the perfect squares will be always a positive number, remember. So therefore, you have x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square is always positive, as they are the sum of the squares, right? So squares are positive, so their sums are also going to be positive. So therefore, you can say that x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is always positive. Got it? Now the last question of exercise, nothing but the expansion of identities you will be able to do yourself. So a plus b into a plus b is again a plus b the whole square. So just take the square of that. So in expanding a plus b into a plus b, we get this is expansion of a plus b the whole square. Okay. So this is just the recall of identities. Now a plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now if it is a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, so this we can write it as a. This is nothing but a plus b the whole square multiplied by a plus b. Now this expansion we already know, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab multiplied by a plus b. Okay. Now further, if we do it, so you are getting it over this like this. So how? So we can do this a multiplied by a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Plus b multiplied by a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So a into a you get a cube. A into b is ab square. A into 2ab is 2a into a is a square. So 2a square b. And this b into a square is a square b. B into b square is going to be b cube. B into 2ab is going to be 2ab square. Got it? And then this can be further added. A square b and a square b are the like terms, which is 2 plus 1, 3a square b. And ab square and ab square are the like terms. So ab square plus 2ab square is 3ab square. This okay. Now we have a minus b the whole cube, right? So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So again, when we simplify this, what are we going to do over here? By a, we multiply to the each term. So it is a multiplied by a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here there is minus sign. So we put minus sign. B multiplied by a square plus b square minus 2ab again. So we get a multiplied by a cube. A square is going to be a cube. This is a into b square is ab square. A into minus 2ab is minus 2a square b. Minus b into a square is minus a square b. Minus b into b square is minus b cube. Minus b into minus 2ab is plus 2ab square. Now what are the like terms here again? ab square and ab square. So this ab square plus ab square plus 2ab square is going to be 3ab square. And minus 2a square b and minus 2 negatives also we add. So on doing that, we get it as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. That's it. So learning the identities make your life easier, children. If you have understood and if you like the video, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.